morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And today I will be optimizing my Rhoadie's Kitchen store. So the first two things I will be doing is a store banner in categories with the images. So this is my Rhoadie's Kitchen store, and it's a store that I need to really work on to bring it up to par. So I want to change the store banner because it really doesn't showcase my store products. And someone may even be confused as to what my store is about if they just click on it. Because I discovered doing Google Analytics that my storefront page is the most visited page in my store. So I want customers to have a good experience. So this is a brief overview of my store. And I have products and I want to change that to show categories instead of just products because I want to have themes and I want to direct the customer. And later on, I'll be not on this video, but in the future, I'm going to change my media to reflect my products. And as you scroll down, you see that I still have amazing Mother's Day gifts as a featured collection. And I didn't even realize this because I haven't visited my storefront page in so long. So it's good to really visit your storefront page and to change it periodically, especially seasonally. So right now, what I want to do is I want to create a brand new store banner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my stuff. Okay, I'm going to click on Zazzle and then maybe it'll come up. Okay. All right. Start a new design. Okay, so what I do, the first thing I like to do is um, you will see templates here. So this is Dazzle's design tool. So you see different templates for postcards, Zoom, business cards, regular cards, Etsy, Facebook. So what I do is in order to create a banner, I use the Facebook tool. So I can have the dimensions that are compatible with the banners on Zazzle. And what I like to do is just clear it. So I'm going to clear this whole image and just start from there. So I want to create a background image. So I'm going to see if there's any plaid because I want my theme to be the buffalo plaid color. So let's see if there's any buffalo plaid backgrounds. Okay, and there are. So I'm going to use one. Okay. Now the second thing I want to do is I want to showcase my products right on the store's banner. So I'm going to open a new window. Okay, and go back to my stores. And the store I'm working on is called Rhoadie's Kitchen because I have 7 stores. So I have to work on them, one at a time. And I'm going to return to store management. Okay. and click on products. So I want to use my 3 newest products as products I want to showcase because it's in line with my buffalo plaid theme. So what I'm going to do is save these images by right clicking on each one. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Zazzle's design tool. All right, and I'm going to import my images. So I'm going to click on my files. And I've already uploaded them, so all you had to do is upload images. And you just click on, each image to open and upload. Okay, so they're already been uploaded to my computer. So what I'm going to do is just insert each image into my design. Okay, and what I want to do is I'm just going to resize the images. Okay, and I want to center, make sure this image is indeed in the center. So I just click on this vertical align and also the horizontal just to make sure. Okay, and I'm going to space it out, and the green lines let me know that it's lining up. Okay, now I like to put borders around my images, but you don't have to. um but if you want to put a border, you just go to elements and click on the shape, which is a square, and my fill color is transparent. And what I will do is use my color dropper tool to lift a color off of the plaid design. So, okay. I meant that for the border color. So for the border color, okay, I think I want my border color to be red instead. So I just resize it. And then what I do is I just copy and paste it to my other. Okay, so I'm going to have to, that's the only thing. Sometimes you end up moving things. Okay. Okay, I just have to fix that later. Okay, it's taking me a little while to. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that one because I don't like um doing it for each one. Maybe I just use the arrow keys on my keyboard, okay, instead of just um trying to move it with my mouse. So copy, paste, and I'm just going to use my arrow keys just to get it over there and then use my mouse to move it into place. Okay, so now I'm going to download this. Okay, so it's downloaded. So now I need to go and find it on my computer. So I just open up my downloads and I see it right here. And it's a PNG file. And from my experience, I've never been able to upload a PNG file to, or maybe it's the dimensions was too small. I don't know, but I always have to change it, you know. So what I'm going to do is I always change it to a JPEG and change the image dimensions. So what I do is I open it up with Paint and I resize it. And I just always use 1500 as horizontal and whatever vertical is because sometimes it will just automatically, add 570, you know. And what I do is I save this as a JPEG image and I'm just going to call it Buffalo flag banner so it's easy to be found. Okay, so I'm going to return to my Rhoadie's kitchen and I'm going to return to the home page. Okay, so I guess I got to view public storefront to change my banner. Okay, so I'm going to update my banner and change it. Okay, to the Buffalo flag banner. Okay, so I'll just, position it. All right, and that's what I did. Now, of course, that was just a quick video. I'll probably make changes because I see to position it, you have to make sure that all of the products are in there. I would have to shrink the photos, but it's okay like this. It can stay like this. Okay, thank you for watching. And this is part one. So in part two, I'll be doing the categories. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.